Wow, what a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Fall's a little bit in the air, and I think the heat is letting up on us a little bit, so just a fabulous day for this event that we're having today. First, let me recognize City Manager Doug Hewitt and the other staff, as well as my fellow council members here today. We have Larry Wright and Mayor Pro Tem Ted Moan. There he is. And more importantly, the kids here. Thank you guys for coming out and putting up with the mess we've had here all these years. This bridge has been blocked off from them, the kids at St. Anne's Catholic School here behind us. So thank you for coming out, and of course your principal and teachers as well, and joining us with this. You know, city staff and the contractors that were involved in this project, I can't thank them enough, because we have another fantastic asset to our community in this bridge, and they put a lot of hard work to get this accomplished today. You know, the Ann Street Bridge is an historic bridge, and it's on actually the Historic Registry. It was built in 1923, this bridge, a long time ago. I'm not quite that old, but that's when it goes to. It was first damaged by fire, unfortunately, in August of 2012. And then we made some repairs to it, but then another structural evaluation deemed it to be unfit and unsafe. So at that point, the city went ahead, after another subsequent fire happened in October 2013, to the bridge. And we went ahead and demoed the bridge and reconstructed it to the point that you see it here today, and the ribbon cutting you're here today for. Construction started actually in May of 2018 on the bridge, and services were provided by the Fred Smith Company, as well as CALYX Engineers and Consultants, who designed the project. The cost of this project was a little over $1.6 million to accomplish this. So, with the bridge, it carries over Big Cross Creek, which you see pass under it, and it will allow these kids, their parents, and faculty to access their school a little bit more easily than what you've had to do in the past few years. So with that, I'll keep it short. We'll get to the ribbon cutting and conclude today's festivities. Thank you so much.
Okay, on three, who's gonna count? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, sir.